For those of you guys that were looking at the market to move upward, you will now see that you are being disappointed. And that is not in any way a good thing, but if you follow my analysis on the 1-day chart right here, where I said I am not expecting the market to cross this very area, that means I was expecting the market to come from this very zone and move to the downside. So I was not expecting the market to cross this very area of resistance, and I said market is going to come down despite anything that Fed is going to do. And the reason for that very analysis is that if the market has moved a little bit upward prior to Fed interest rate decision, it's a very common thing that market will not continue in that direction anymore. Okay, although we have to still listen to what Fed chairman will have to say about the future of the country, particularly in this case the United States. And if you look at the chart right now, market is coming back to the downside as expected by my humble self, and right now I am still expecting this market to come back down into this level of support, and I am still expecting that the market break this level of support to the downside. And that is very, very important, because if we break here and market begin to move downward, we are going to see the market plunge into $21,000 and $20,000, as I have been talking about to you on this very channel. And if you look at this very area right here, market is going to continue back into this very level of support. And if you look at the MACD at this very point, market is going to come down, and once we begin to see bearish formation, that is a red line on the negative side of the MACD, then it means that the market is going to continue back to the downside. But at the moment, please pay attention to the market moving to the downside and not upward on the 1-day chart. This is what you need to watch right now, and avoid taking long opportunity, avoid taking long position, avoid buying BTC right now. And on the 4-hour chart right here, you see the market is dropping right down as expected. I told you that this very retracement is not the one I was actually expecting in my immediate video right here, if you pay attention. And I said there is a retracement that is going to come into the market, and exactly, see, the market is coming back down, and I am expecting this market to come into this very zone. So the market is going to come into this very area right here, where I'm expecting the market to come to is this very zone of support. So this very area of support should turn a place where the market is going to drop into, and this very zone, so this very area is very critical. The market is going to drop back down. You see, this very point and this very zone, market should come back down into this area, and then a retracement, and then continuation. So right now, don't do anything about the market if you are not in a sell position back to the downside. Market is going to come back down into this area, and then retrace back to the upside, and continuation back down. I am very, very optimistic about this formation, and market is going to short from here. So I'm going to update you on when to short the market from this very area after this retracement of this impulsive move that we are seeing in the market right now. So pay attention to the market moving into this area of support, and retracement will be there for the market to continue back to the downside. So all you need to do right now on the 4-hour chart is look for sell opportunity, and when market come into this area, it's not the time to buy the market, because market is going to move a little bit upward and then begin to come back to the downside. And at the end of retracement, which is always a continuation of impulse, is the right time to short the market for the market to continue its way to the downside. This is what you need to pay attention to right now on the 4-hour chart BTC. And on ETH is not an exception. I told you that market is going to come down, and that I am also expecting a nice retracement in the market. So right now we are seeing continuation. This is no longer a retracement, Market dropped right down as a result of the Fed keeping rates unchanged with hawkish statements from the Federal Reserve Chairman, the person of Jerome Powell, and market is coming back down. Market is going to come back down into this area. This is what I'm expecting on ETH. Market should come back down into this very zone. Okay, this very area is where I'm expecting market to pause, and from here we're going to see retracement and continuation. So expect this market to come back a little bit into this zone of important support. Remember, at this very area, market moves sporadically upward, retrace, move back to the upside. So we are going to see the market come down into this area of support, retrace, and then continue back to the downside. A breakout on this very level of support is a massive downturn for Ethereum. So don't short here, don't buy here. It will be a nice time to short at this very area after the end of this retracement that is going to come into the market tomorrow or next tomorrow. This is what I am expecting right now on the chart. We could possibly see the market come into this area and begin to form consolidation. Then in that case, we need the market to break out into the downside. This is what you must have to watch on ETH for our chart. And on the other chart, look at it. I told you that the market should not cross this very zone of important resistance. So from here, the market should be in this formation. Okay, from here like this, the market should not cross here, and market is going to come back down, and that is what I'm expecting. Except we see a breakout, like I said, market is going to move about. We do not see any of those kind of movement upward. Market continue back down right here, and what I'm expecting right now is a little bit of move in here for retracement to happen, because we have a lot of spike in the market at this very zone. So I'm expecting the market to retrace from this very area. So pay attention to this very particular line of support. Market should come back down a little bit into here, and then we're going to see the market retrace from here to the upside and then continue back down again. It's not the right time to buy here where the market is right now, and it's not also the right time to sell because the market is going to move upward in a very short while. Selling the market after the end of retracement will be a nice idea for you to short the market, and market is going to come back down. I am also going to be updating you on this very channel. And on the Matic chart, you see Matic is not coming back down aggressively as we are seeing on other ETH and on BTC. Matic is still going to come back down nevertheless, and I am expecting the market to approach this very level of support from here to this very area. Market should come back down into this level of support. That is what I am expecting right now on Matic, and afterward the market is going to retrace. So market drop in here, retracement, and then continuation to the downside. It will be a nice time to short the market at the end of retracement, which is the beginning of impulse. So we consider this as a potential impulsive move coming to the market right now into this zone of support. Retracement, then market is going to continue back down again, and I am going to be updating you as well on this channel. This is what I am expecting right now on the Matic chart. And on BTC, do you still think that this market is going to move upward? Because I don't think so. Market is going to come back down and possibly break on this level of support and begin to head back down into the $21,000 and $20,000. Remember, next month there is no Fed interest rate. The next Fed interest rate we're going to have is in November, and it's going to affect the market to the downside before we see next Fed meeting in November. This is what I'm expecting. Comment below what do you think is going to happen on the one-day chart. Let me hear your comments. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any video like this. If you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis, as I used to do here, for profitable trading, and you know 90% to 95% accuracy of where the market is going to go with high precision. Check the description of this video right now. You see a contact and reach out to me immediately to enroll for my trading course. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.